Hello dear ladies, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the best conditions of your health. So dear ladies and girls, today I am going to share with you some awesome collections, some awesome designs of crochet made handbag designs for ladies and girls. Very unique and trending ideas of crochet made handbag designs today I have collected for you in this video within different colors and different styles and different designs, handmade design ideas of bags for girls. So I hope so this video is going to be very useful for you, very helpful for you dear ladies and girls. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these types of handbags, so please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications, dear ladies, dear girls, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was this designs of crochet made handbags designs, which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, and which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section for exploring more amazing ideas for more collections. So please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of bags designs and crochet made top designs, shrug designs, cardigan designs, trending dress designs. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel dear ladies. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you can get new ideas and new designs from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. So thank you so much dear ladies for watching my video. Goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you.